be taking a look at a few of our control panels that are in the rear of your Midwest Weekender, starting first with our Espar heater control panel. To operate this, we have our digital LCD screen here. We'll hit the power button in the middle. That'll light up our screen. We'll hit that a second time to enable the heater. And then we can then adjust our temperature with our red or blue arrow key. And if you also look on this panel here, we also have the runtime, and then next to that, you'll see your temperature setting. This Espar heater is actually pulling from our diesel fuel. You don't have to worry about LP with this unit. If you have enough diesel in your diesel tank for the vehicle, you should be good to go. And it'll keep it very warm in here, so you don't have to worry about getting cold. Next to that, we have our 12-volt ProAir Conditioner. The advantage of this ProAir Conditioner is it runs off the 12-volt battery, and that separates itself from the Dometic cooling unit that most RV campers are used to. And we can actually see that here on the roof, in the ceiling here. That's our normal Dometic air conditioner. That runs off our 30 amp power source. So the advantage of this is we don't have to be plugged into power in order to use it. So to turn this on, our power button here is all the way to the right. It'll say AC heat off. We hit that there, and almost immediately it starts running. To our left, we have our temperature setting. If we want it a little warmer or a little colder, you'll also see the light blink as you change that temperature. If you want to change your fan speeds, there's 3 fan speeds. F1 is your low fan speed, F2 is your medium fan speed, and F3 is your high fan speed. Right now we're set to F3. You can bring that down to F2, or bring it down all the way to its lowest setting. This is going to be great for our passengers. It's going to keep everybody cool and comfortable. And lastly, if you don't want that constantly or consistently running the whole time, you can set it to auto so that when it gets to temperature, it will shut itself off. Another feature of your ProAir Conditioner is a heat setting as well. If you turn the auto off, you press your AC heat off button one more time, you'll see the red indicating light. That'll be just above where it says heat. And if you set your fan appropriately and set the temperature appropriately, you can have heat as you travel down the road for your passengers. So multifunctional and really just a great option. It's quiet, keeps everybody comfortable in the back so you don't hear a lot of complaining. Probably one of the best features in a Midwest Weekender.